most accurate local forecast starts now with meteorologist Brett Thackeray.
Hi, everybody. Great to be with you here on this Tuesday. And the good news is that we are seeing perhaps a wetter trend by the end of the week. We need the rain, and anything that can help us with our current drought conditions would be great. Now, today still looks mainly dry, although the breeze is going to kick around. We're going to see a lot of clouds. It's a much warmer start, and we promised you this today than what we have seen. 70 degrees. This is Carlisle, Cumberland County Historical Society. The dew points are actually pretty healthy this morning as well, so it's a little bit on the muggy side, and I think we can start to get more used to that as well. 87 yesterday. We were actually above the average of 84. Notice no rain yesterday, and now we sit right at a 5.5-inch deficit. So if we can get some rain this week, any bit of it, it's going to help with that. But we would like to see maybe an inch or two, and I do think that's on the table now, even though, as I keep mentioning, I don't want to overpromise any rain. I don't. But we are seeing some decent trends in the model guidance. Right now it is cloudy. We're seeing some showers here, just kind of scooting by and missing our region. Remember, we're right on the northern fringe of this low that is going to be bringing some significant rain to the Carolinas here this week. We will see a fair amount of cloud cover today. Perhaps some peaks of sunshine at times. It is warm this morning. Temperatures in the upper 60s to near 70 degrees. This is warmer than yesterday, but the other factor here is the dew points, and there's a little more moisture in the air. Dew points now in the low to mid 60s, so this is a little more humid than what we've been used to so far this year as well. So when we look at the humidity meter, it's not going to be anything stifling, but it will be a bit more noticeable, especially in these morning hours here as temperatures are starting near 70 and dew points are elevated a bit. Now, most of the moisture is still contained to our south and to our west. This is where the actual low is rotating, but because we're on the northern fringe of it, we are going to see a fair amount of cloud cover today and again tomorrow. We're also going to see a bit of a breeze. There's high pressure to our north. Clockwise flow around that's going to pull in moisture from the Atlantic. Same with the low. Counterclockwise flow, we're caught in between, and we're going to see a bit of an east wind here over the coming days. The humidity, the shower activity, a lot of that, at least for today and tomorrow, is going to stay to our south. But we are going to see a persistent breeze, and eventually enough of this moisture looks to work its way to the north that by tomorrow night and into Thursday and Friday, it actually looks, dare I say, wet. And we're going to show you that here on Precision Cast. Watch this. Today should still be mainly dry, cloudy, some peaks of sun. There may be a stray, look at this here, an afternoon or evening shower moving through. I think the majority of us stay dry. Same deal with tomorrow. Boy, that rain wants to get close, doesn't it? But I think the majority of us stay dry and breezy tomorrow. But watch what happens here tomorrow night after 8 o'clock. We start to see a swath of rain lift to the north. Look at this, some juicy areas of rain tomorrow night, or Thursday night, I should say. Wednesday night into Thursday, I'll get it right. And then Thursday, some scattered showers here on and off throughout the day. So we have a better chance to see at least some rain Thursday into Friday of this week, and we'll show you that on Precision Cast. Not a lot of rain today and tomorrow. In fact, most of us are going to stay dry today, tonight, and through most of Wednesday. But watch what Precision Cast says is going to happen here Wednesday night into Thursday. We try to squeeze out maybe a ½ inch of rain in some locations. We'll see if that continues to be the trend. Remember, I still think we're right on the northern edge of this, so some of these totals may be a bit elevated, but it is worth noting the models, most of them have gone wetter here for Thursday and Friday. A bit of an east wind here today as we take a look ahead. I think it gets breezier tomorrow, if not downright gusty. An east wind, and that's going to cool us off today and tomorrow as well with the clouds. But tomorrow, wind speeds nearing 20 miles an hour, and we're going to keep that east wind going on Thursday, which would help to fuel some of the showers and give us the opportunity to have some rain. Well, we actually have a named storm in the tropics to talk about too. That would be BRET, 1T, different spelling. 40-mile-an-hour winds, and it's moving at a good clip now west at 17 miles an hour. Watch this thing. It is going to get close to Puerto Rico and some of the areas in the tropics here over the weekend. But this is nowhere near the U.S., and we don't have to worry about it hitting anywhere near us anytime soon. It does briefly become a Category 1 hurricane, but you'll notice the timeline here does take us out through the weekend. We will be tracking BRET and that storm. The 5-day forecast does show a bit of a cool down here. The normal high is 84, and that is because of this east wind and the shower threat that we have perhaps coming by the end of the week and into the weekend, which is not a bad thing. So the breeze is going to kick around both today and tomorrow. Little in the way of rain, though. I think the best chance of rain coming tomorrow night into Thursday. It's going to cool off with scattered showers, a high of 72. And then the humidity really does ramp up here again. By the end of the week, we see the better chance of daily pop-up showers and storms, too, something we're used to around here in the summertime. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and even into next week. So to me, it actually does look like we have a pattern shift coming now, which is good news. We need one, and this could bring us daily chances of rain starting Thursday.
Lawns are just going to soak that up.
We will be thankful for it, no doubt.
All right. Thank you, Brett.